Hey everyone, in this video we're looking at another transformation. This is reflections. So again, transformations are when you move one shape from one position in the Cartesian plane to another, and you do that when you make sure that you're not shifting its shape or size. So we looked at slides already, now we're looking at reflections or flipping a shape. So it's pretty straightforward in regards to how the shape moves. It goes from here and then you have an axis of symmetry at some point and then it flips over that axis, sorry. So the mirror image of the original shape has to be the same distance though from your axis of reflection. So that is what we need to know. So what you might be looking for is, say in this situation, construct a reflection of this object. Here's A, B, C, D. I'm going to use my graph paper on this one here. Select some key points from the original object. So A, those ones would be really. Okay, so we've got our A, B, C, D. I'm going to measure them a perpendicular line to the mirror. So making sure that, remember, perpendicular means, this word here means at 90 degrees. So A is at 90 degrees from that mirror point. So it's 1, and the measure the distance, this is 1, 2. So it's going to be 1, 2. So there's my A dash. And then I'm going to do the other one, B here. So again, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's B dash. Now C here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to measure that from B or 7, 8. So from the axis of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's your 4 points. That's 4 points. 3 points. And you would then use your ruler to connect those 3 points to make the reflection of this object on your Cartesian plane. So I've just used my ruler straight line function here to draw or connect those 2 points to create the mirror here. So what you're going to do is have a go of these ones. I'm actually just going to show you this one here. It's on the line, which makes it a little bit easier. So F here, I'm just going to make it bigger. So here's F. And what we're going to do when we do this, this is one where you have to be really careful because it should be perpendicular to your shape. So perpendicular to your axis. So perpendicular means that it should be at 90 degrees. So that's what that is here. So if I'm having a look at this point here, the line is actually going to come like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's perpendicular. And then it's going to go 1, 2, 3 up. Oop. And it's just there and 2 across. And then back down. So that you end up with this kind of configuration on your line. It's not going to be out here and reflected. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. Think of it as if you're standing like in front of a mirror and you did this with your hand, like how far would that hand be on the other side when you have your axis of reflection? So that's what you are looking at there. I'm just going to zoom back out. Okay, so those 5 to do, and then you've got these 3 to complete. Best thing to do is copy them into your exercise book and then have a go. All right, all the best. Stay awesome, everyone.